Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can share any document through WhatsApp through email. So first of all you need to click on browse modules, click on this. Now here you will see an option of sales and purchase. Click on sales and purchase. I will go to my quotations. This quotation I want to share via WhatsApp. So I will select this. After that, on your right hand side, you will see an option of share. Click on share option. You will get an option of email, WhatsApp, and share link to document. You can copy the link directly and can share it via text message, via WhatsApp, web WhatsApp, or through email. Or you can click on the email and then after you can send the email. You can also add any additional recipient in this. So let me just go ahead and type my email here. Now once I type my email, you need to select enter. After that I can click on send email, and please check the emails have been sent. Same you can do with the WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. Here you just need to mention the number and then after you can send the quotation through web WhatsApp. Please note that in order to go ahead and share the quotation or any document via WhatsApp, web WhatsApp need to be logged in. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and share the document. Have a good day ahead.